I'm Xixi, and this is my final presentation for Python 2. This project was inspired by the movie Coraline. I enjoyed this movie because of how beautiful it is and the lore behind it. I made a choose your adventure story game that has the same plot as Coraline. During class, I learned about lists and functions which I used in my project. I used lists to make an inventory, and I used functions to add story choices. Code 1 adds I3 to the inventory, and code 2 presents two choices to the user. One prints a statement and ends the game. The other calls a function and the game continues. My favorite part about working on this project was adding the inventory. The inventory contains the stuff that you get in the game. If I were to continue to work on this project, I would add more detailed options and more alternate storyline paths. Thank you.